We are heading towards the center to attend Open Source Summit India, which is happening for the first time in India, and somehow bike feels safer than a cab. We reached at the center, which is the Novotel Hyderabad, and it is quite big actually. So there is a platform on which we have to make our own schedule for the events that we will be attending, and today is the Open Source Summit and day after tomorrow, and tomorrow there will be KubeCon. The crowd mostly consists of students, young professionals and maintainers of open source.
Strong role in moving open source forward. Before I do the actual talk, I want to congratulate the Linux Foundation, particularly Arpit and his entire team in India. This is the inaugural launch of
And this is the solution showcase section where companies have their booths and a lot of companies are there. For example, GitHub, Linux Foundation, Microsoft, AWS, etc. And different types of open source organizations and even startups are present here. This is the place where we can talk to them directly and make connections, and this is the place where networking actually happens. It's actually very beneficial. Then we also have different talks and sessions from the speakers. It is based on various topics, so different people attend sessions based on their own interest and whatever work they have. So these sessions are also quite helpful, and it also gives you a lot of FOMO that you really need to do a lot of things, especially that's valid for me. So under DanCon scholarship, we also get accommodation sponsored. So this is, and we can book any hotel from that. So I booked a 4-star hotel. And honestly, I booked it for its aesthetics and the color grading, so that I can shoot good YouTube videos. I'll be sitting right here and shooting a lot of YouTube videos, like maybe like 4 or 6 for the future, because I don't have this ambience in my room, but here it's quite good. We got some complimentary fruits. I'm not sure if I should eat it or not, but fine. This is the first time when I was just staying alone in a room, and I was kind of scared, but then yeah. So today we had a Open Source Summit conference, and tomorrow we will be having KubeCon, like the actual KubeCon conference on 6th and 7th August. So yeah, let's see how it goes. And this is day 1 of KubeCon 2025 at Hyderabad. So I just got ready and हम चलेंगे अब सेंटर पे जहाँ ओपन सोर्स समिट हुआ था कल 5th को, वहीं पे KubeCon भी है आज. So KubeCon happens at even a larger level than Open Source Summit, and developers and professionals come from different countries, and it's actually quite amazing to meet different people coming from different regions, having different problems and solving it differently. So yeah. And yes, GitLab was also there, GitLab, Red Hat. So these are some of my favorite open source what should I say, like organizations. So hi Kunal, nice meeting to you in KubeCon India. So how was your experience?
Good, busy booth. Everyone you can see very happy.
Yeah.
It was nice. A lot of people came, and a lot of interesting conversations. A lot of business cards in my front pocket.
And
my talk was good. It was all good. Yeah.
So you attended KubeCon for which time? Like how many times did you attend it before?
7, 8, I don't know.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Then we have different types of sessions and gatherings. This is peer mentoring session in which people sit around a table and they talk about different things, and also a mentor is allotted to each table. So it's like quick guidance or discussions.
We do any kind of ML security. These are name 3 Linux security modules. LSMs. So Linux security modules, name 3. 5 seconds, no one can Google.
5, 4, 3.
3, you have to name 3. That's fine. Apartment.
Okay.
And
IP tables.
IP.
Data scientist knowledge. So it's just another external service, just like your database basically offer or like some synthesizer.
Get back on the mic, and then you can switch tables if you want.
Mentors stay seated.
Yeah. Mentors, stay where you are. Mentees, please get up, switch tables if you want, if you need. Sometimes it's
openly say that I don't know storage right now. Storage, I'm gonna point you to a particular person that I always lean on.
And these are the axes. If you see, these are vectors. And just imagine that, for example, these are the possibilities one bit can accommodate. I mean, if you see the classical.
I also met Arsh Goel for shooting my podcast, and I also got some of the goodies, of course. Being a foodie, how can I forget about the food, which is very nice in these conferences. But then it will not go up.
Losing my patience, I waited my turn. Came to collect everything that I earned. Built a few bridges, but some gotta burn. They keep talking down like, but when you gon' learn? Been on the come up with some time now. People like a trust, it's hard to find out. Swear to God, there's so much on my mind now. Coming for the word, I bet it's mine now.